Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. Just want to do a quick sound check. Okay, is my sound and screen coming okay? If let's say okay, just tap a one for me, right? So if let's say my sound and screen is okay, tap a one for me. So again, just a quick disclaimer over here. In this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to do any trades based on our discussion in this video here, make sure your own trading plan, especially in the market right now, where lots of so-called shakeout is happening. Market is not that good overall for the past, I think like 2 week plus to 3 weeks already, right? Again, if you want to enter any trade, just be careful. Watch out your support. Okay. Personally, for this past 2 weeks, I don't think I enter lots of stock. I think one or two only. All right. Yeah. Mainly, I just focusing on my stop loss, take profits, to get my cash back. Okay. So hopefully, next round, okay, got more opportunity. Okay. So if you don't have any trades right now, I think just be patient. Okay, so this is the things that what we do. Okay, again, do remember I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Just get advice from professional. If let's say you're unsure with anything. All right. So we will start with probably look into this KLCI chart right now, and let's see what is the things that potentially is going to happen. Okay, definitely market like I say is not that bullish already. Okay, but doesn't mean the long-term trends change. For me, I still think that we got a chance, okay, to have a bullish momentum again towards the end of the year. Okay, so hopefully this pullback is temporary. Maybe we just need another few weeks or a month. Okay, then we will see some movement coming in shortly. Okay, now if you look into into this weekly chart, so weekly chart over here, yes, looks like we are crossing this so-called a stubborn resistance. Obviously, 1600 is the one that we try to break. Okay, it break through, holding very well, and I don't know, probably this round it will retest again into this level again, 1600 area. Okay, in fact, right now it's still like sideways aja lah. If you look into so-called daily chart over here, okay, still ranging. The next one will be 1700. The next challenge, okay, they want to cross. Okay, it's 1700, somewhere around this area lah. 1690 area lah, something that they want to try to challenge again next round. Okay, so if you look into weekly chart, okay, so weekly chart at this moment over here looks like they are kind of like close with 20 MA already. So I'm not sure whether later on or not. So, okay, in a few weeks they will touch, okay, and subsequently started to rebound again. Okay, hopefully we can see something like that. Okay, so again, in a bull market, usually you want to see a healthy pullback, especially for KLCI. Actually, they've been bull for some time now, so it's a good time for them to take a rest. Okay, after break this so-called stubborn resistance at 1600. All right. So if you look into over here, this is I think the main so-called reversal. Okay, this is the one that actually started to change the trend overall. Okay, to some this bull market over here. So this is back to January. Okay, which is this year. So we got around like 6 months of bull markets already. Again, like I say, it's a good time for them to probably take a rest. A longer rest is needed for KLCI market. So yeah, I think overall it's still pretty healthy for me. And like I said, I still think got chance, towards the end of the year, we can retry the next resistance again. Right? Hopefully lah. So okay, this is just a quick one. Okay, on overall KLCI direction. Okay, we can actually look into the others. Like for example, the mid 70, I think is still roughly the same. Okay, mid 70, wow, still very strong. Okay, but again, started to pull back also lah this week. Okay, started pullbacks also. We can go back to our daily chart here and take a look. Okay, cross the 20 MAs already, heading to 40 MA. Okay, hopefully hold. Okay, let's look into some sectors. Currently actually is a good time for you to study also a little bit of sectors. Okay, because you want to see, okay, next round during the bull market, which one you want to focus. Okay, comparing the risk to reward lah. Which one is safer lah, okay, for you to look for some things, especially for those that who are focusing mid to long term. Okay, personally also I'm looking something for mid to long term. That's why I always look into, okay, which of the sectors actually are still very close, okay, with the accumulation, right? So for example, right now construction I think is far from accumulation. So there's a reason why this round I don't have much of property construction. Okay, I think only VLB. Okay, because VLB, first thing, they are coming from very close to accumulations. So that's the reason why I look for VLB. Okay, so the rest, they are very far from the accumulation of reaccumulation. So that's why I didn't really look into it. Okay, but again, don't let me stop you. Okay, again, do your own research study. Okay, probably the data center team will still continue, right, for the rest of the years. They might still continue to go up. Okay, but just that I always look into the potential risk to ratio first. Okay, before I want to enter any trades. Okay, now consumer product on the other hand is weakening. Okay, trend is weakening. You notice here got some inverse pullback. In fact, they are going into downtrends already. Okay, so again, if you have attended our physical section on last Saturday, okay, together with AK Tan from ECMO, and we have JK from XChat team development as well. He do explain, right, when the stock started to show like mushrooming top, right? So this is something that trend is weakening, and potentially it's going to downtrend as well. Okay, which is, I think, they are in the downtrend already for consumer product and services. Okay, let's look into energy. Energy has been quiet. Okay, has been quiet. Trend also weakening at this moment. Okay, but something worth to pay attention. Hopefully, they will reverse back again later on. Okay, so this is energy. Let's look into the other sectors. Okay, we look into plantation. Okay, plantation closing back, okay, crossing back, okay, to this 2040s on weekly chart. Okay, so let's see whether they can retest or not. Okay, so here also slowly going up, drop, crossing back. Okay, so again, let's see whether they can test well or not at the new support level. But this one overall, they are still in accumulation. Okay, so that's why I'm not sure. Maybe the second half of the year, I will focus a little bit on some plantation stocks. Okay, because plantation stocks have been being very quiet for this year. Okay, they got some movement but very small movement. Some of them is like only the few, like the Alsa, Bija, Tiasa. The rest is also still, most of them is actually still very, very quiet. Okay, so yes, they are still in accumulation. Probably it's a good time for me to look for something mid to long term next. Okay, now property similar construction so far up already. Again, I let you to decide whether you want to enter or not. So REITs is always the one that I don't really like it. Very, very slow type of movement. Now this is one of my favorite technology. Yes, even though these 2 weeks is not a good week for tech. Okay, even though yes, some of them actually I also exit already. But like I said, I'm not sure how far they will make this round, this pullback. Okay, but I still think that they have something to offer. Okay, so again, if you look into chart overall, okay, again, I'm looking into daily chart. Okay, let me switch to weekly chart so it's easier to see, right? So weekly chart wise, you notice that of course this is the previous bull run during the COVID time, the bull run. Okay, and this is the so-called accumulation phase. Okay, nice accumulation phase. Okay, break above, this is starting from this year around May, if not mistaken. Okay, breaking up, and now looks like they are pulling back. Okay, so this is the overall technology directions. Okay, for weekly chart. Okay, so of course pullback yet to complete. Okay, based on technology weekly charts at this moment. Okay, it's yet to complete. Okay, but if let's say it able to touch again this level over here, which is the previous resistance, potentially turn to support. Okay, with strength signal. Okay, with strength signal. Okay, especially the pullback signals, right? I think this will be a very good areas, okay, for me to focus back in technology stocks. Okay, I still think that they got a chance to retest this level. Okay, maybe here hit retest at 70 area. Okay, then going into hundreds. Okay, subsequently, hopefully they can cross. Okay, but right now, like I said, it's a weak market. It's a pullback markets, right? So again, we wait for the nicer setups to form into this area. Then we see, any stock actually falling very closely. I think like GrabTech, okay, falling very closely. Inari, I think not too bad also. Okay, probably can check that out later on. Okay, so again, this is the overall so-called stock directions. Okay, for KRSC, for Bursa. Of course, have been weak for 2 weeks. Okay, if you are short-term traders, if you feel that no confidence, avoid. Okay, so I do see some of the members, okay, in my Telegram. If you not join our Telegram yet, do join, okay, so that we have some discussions over there. Okay, so again, don't rush yourself lah. Don't you know, when the price drop, you say, hey, you can buy or not. I think few of them keep asking, equivalents can buy or not. Okay, I mean, you can buy, okay, but just that you buy during this period of time, you have to bet, you have to tahan a bit on this kind of sideway lah, shakeout lah, right? If you don't like it, you just avoid. Okay, it's nothing wrong. Okay, to keep your cash in your portfolios. Am I right? Okay, so there's a quick one. Okay, do let me know any stocks that you are looking into. Personally, today, the other stock lah. Personally, today, very few stocks lah. I think Afin is still moving. Pokong, okay, Pokong still okay. You notice here the support is still very strong. Okay, but gold counter always follow the gold prices. One of the things that normally I don't really like it is this is one of the reasons why. But yes, the support is still pretty good. They are still above the strength signal. Okay. Now for those that who are using my X chart, okay, doesn't matter in that desktop version or mobile version, you should be able to access this pullback indicators. Okay, today probably I will share with you how to use it since today we got nothing much over here. Okay, currently I got around 8 people only not much people with market. Anyone here actually using X chart? If yes, type 1. If not, type 2. Okay, anyone here actually using X chart currently? If yes, type 1. If not, type 2. Okay, so Tenaga, TP, RHB, TP. Okay, sure. I'll look into Tenaga and RHB. Tenaga and RHB. Tenaga, personally, I'm still holding. In fact, I'm looking for pullback for entry. So anyone here actually still using the X chart? Yes, type 1, no type 2. Okay, Joanne say 2. Okay, so probably today I will talk a bit how to use the pullback indicators during bear market. Okay, the pullback indicators during the bear market. Okay, so let's look into Tenaga first. Okay, so of course here got a lot of information. Of course, some of the big cap stocks, they will have more this kind of insider buy and sell. But like I said yesterday, KWST buy and sell for me is not operators. Okay, for me, I'm more interested into the insider sometimes. Okay, now if you look into over here, right? Okay, probably we focus on this pullback. So this pullback, the green arrow pointing up. So this is what we call the pullback indicators. Okay, the pullback indicators. Okay, so a good pullback indicators normally that happens around the 20 and 40-day moving average. Okay, so for example, when the line crosses, okay, let me draw again. 20 and 40 MA like this, right? Okay, the price like this. So most of the time I like to see pullback completed into this area. But if let's say sometime into this area, right, I don't really like it because it's far away from 2040s. Okay, so that's why I always use 20-40-day moving average in my chart. Okay, if you realize that, right? So for example, this is a good quality pullback. Okay, compared to this one is a bit far, slightly a bit far. So this is the best one. If let's say you're looking for entry, looking for support, this is the best one. Okay, to focus. All right. So what we do is that normally I will use this as my potential support. Okay, for those that who don't know how to build support resistance, probably can use this out. Okay, or if you can use my support resistance directly from here. Okay, but most of the time I will use these pullback indicators. Okay, so what I do is that I will use here as my potential support because this is a nice strength signal. Anything break below here, I will watch out. Okay, so if I look into Tenaga right now, to be frank with you, for me, this is still in a healthy pullback. If you want a TP, I'm not sure because this is all-time high, right, if I'm mistaken. Oh, sorry, belum lagi lah. So, okay, somewhere around here lah. 1600, PST is here, I remember PST, they crossed this 12 ringgits. Okay, so yeah, somewhere around here, the main one. I still think that they got a chance lah. If not, the next one is around 15. No, it's around 15. No, the next one. Okay, probably you can watch out this level. Okay, so let's go back to daily chart. Okay, going back to daily chart here. Yeah, they crossed this 12. Next one is I think 14 and 15. No? 14 and 15. Okay, so right now is crossing 14 already. Probably next one 15 ringgit. Probably you want to focus. Okay, or like I say, use the pullback indicator, drop below. That is your support. Okay, there's your support, right? So okay, now let's go into RHB. Okay, RHB. Okay, let me just switch off this support resistance lah. This one sideways saja. TP. What is your entry price? Because this one have been sideways only. Okay, let's go to weekly chart here. I can say here is resistance. Previously we got a gap down. Okay, previously we got a gap down somewhere around here. Okay, and here will be your strong resistance, which is 6 ringgit. Okay, so probably you can aim somewhere around here, but they haven't touched 6 ringgit for some time. Okay, this is back to this is back to January 2023. So 1 year plus almost to 2 years. I didn't touch 6 ringgit. Let's go back to here. Here got right. Oh, this is May. Okay, May 2022. Okay. Yeah, I think long-term target can aim around 6 ringgit, because if let's say you aim over here, it doesn't make sense also. The range is too small for me. Okay, let's get into SKB shot. SKB shot, I think yesterday dropped. Okay, today definitely the glove dropped a lot. Okay, actually I didn't realize yesterday it dropped a lot also. Okay, so here, okay, now SKB shot for me, the trend still good. Okay, the trend still good. So Joanne, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Okay, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Okay, but if you are looking for exit, okay, today actually is a crucial support level. Okay, so let me put back my trading plan over here, my support resistance. Okay, you notice over here, right? So here is actually is a crucial support level that you need to focus. Okay, because previous resistance area, okay, we hope that it can become a support. Okay, of course, this level here must come with low volume. Yesterday volume is decreasing. Okay, so one good thing about the chart from yesterday is that the volume decreasing slightly, but today it retest support. Okay, and we hope it remain above the support level. If let's say break below, if you let's say looking for entry, I think that better you wait first. Look for nicer patterns, then only we look for the entry. All right. So okay, now let's look into our CE cap. Okay, our CE cap, we got gap up, gap down. Okay, gap up against holding ball. Okay, this one previously we got shakeout a big shakeout happening somewhere around here. Okay, long term I think okay. Okay, Grace, Grace, I think you like long term stock. Okay, this one also actually a good uptrend. Okay, on the left hand side. But since this until now sideways, so this is a good reaccumulation with a shakeout. So if you ask me if you are looking for long-term one, I think should be okay. Right, should be okay. Again, not buy a sell call at this moment is okay Right. So let's look into Affin for entry also. Okay, some Dabi for entry also. Some Dabi is SDG, right? If not mistaken. Okay, now this one is already in uptrend. Okay, so they break above this reaccumulation level. Okay, they break this reaccumulation level. Okay, going up. Okay, this is the first pullback. Okay, I think still good. Okay, of course, right now very close to resistance Okay, very close to resistance. So if for me, I prefer to enter nearby this period support level. Okay, around 280. Ideally. Okay, so price going up with low volume currently. Okay, price going up with low volume currently. So I think that they still may retest back. Okay, to support. Okay, to support. So okay, again, there's quick one for Affin. Let's look into SDG. Okay. Wow, this one also long-term accumulation. Okay, so it looks like Grace, you are long-term investor. Am I right? Yeah lah. Okay, this one nothing lah. Sideway lah. Long-term accumulation. So if you want to buy whole punya, should be okay. Now let's go into dividends. This one definitely got dividends, right? Okay. No dividend. Okay. Maybe I have to check already. Okay. Any other stock you want me to look into? Okay, like I said, today is a boring market. Today is a boring market. Nothing much actually. Only Affin only. Only Affin got some movement only. But very close to resistance. Actually, 2 days ago is nicer one. Notion, okay, but Notion, I think it goes up in the early morning just now during the opening, but closing now currently coming back. Okay, dropping back. Hello, good morning, Aisha. Okay, but this one I think still got chance. Yeah, the support is pretty good. The Naga, why everyone suddenly like the Naga already? Okay, so support is still here lah. Like I said, use here lah. This is the strength candle, the pullback candles. So pullback candle should hold lah. Okay, this area here. So actually, I'm also looking for some opportunity nearby. Okay, so actually, this is the nice setup candle, but just that I feel not so comfortable to enter in this market, especially the stock went up so much already. Sometimes a bit takut like yesterday also SNS, Capman suddenly dropped below support, right? But I did follow towards the end. I'm not sure whether they got hammer or not. Let's check. Okay, no hammer yesterday. So today, break below 40. Normally break below 40. Trend weakening. Trend weakening. Okay. So let's do the cap nets. Cap nets still above. Okay, but yesterday no hammer. Okay, today still closing down a little bit. Okay, now let's go into Tenaga again. Okay, why anyone suddenly like Tenaga already? Got news, this one. Is it because of certain news? Okay, not much news, right? Oh, sorry. I need to switch on this one. Okay. So, all right, let's go into Tenaga. Like I say, still holding around 40 MA. Okay. For me, this one's still in uptrend. Okay, this one's still in uptrend. Okay. So, like I say, what I'm doing, because I'm still holding half for Tenaga. Okay, but in fact, I'm looking for top up lah. But just that probably not at this price. Okay, now this is my pullback area. Previously, the pullback areas. So this is the pullback candles, pullback areas. Okay, so if let's say the price hold well into this area over here, I will consider to do my top up again for Tenaga, but of course not at this moment here. Okay, or not at this moment because market is still a bit weak. I'm afraid they will do a little bit of a deeper shakeout. Okay, deeper shakeout. Okay, so yeah, nothing to comment actually, but overall still in uptrend. I think when they hold around the 40 MA, still good for me. Okay, still good for me. Okay, of course the main support that I will monitor is 30 ringgit and 70 cents. This area here, which is the pullback complete areas. I hope this area will hold. If let's say hold, we test several round, then yeah, I think this is the area that probably I will interested, okay, to do my top up into this area. All right. So okay, let's turn into last one Hub Seng lah. Today boring market lah. Like I said, boring market. If you still got money in your portfolio, no need to rush. Okay, no need to rush. Okay, Hub Seng still nice. Okay, I have to say that. Okay, Hub Seng still nice. Okay, but like I say, sometimes nice is nice. Price will go down 1 hour due to weak market. So I think we saw it in yesterday. There's one chart, very nice one. But it dropped. DFX. DFX. But this is a big Goring counters. Okay, so here also, at first I thought here would hold well already. Okay, but it dropped, still drop. Okay, still drop. Okay, so like I say, pullback markets right now. Okay, what you do is that identify the good pullback stocks above support. Later on, one KRSC reverse. This is where that we're going to look for chance, okay, for enter. So right now, yes, Hub Seng actually still like in the reaccumulation. I can say they are a bit similar with DFX. Okay, because why here we got some selling signal. Okay, the resistance here is strong. Okay, similar to DFX also. All right, so I'm not sure whether they will make a deep wash or not later on in this week market before it goes up. Okay, but so far the setup is still nice. Okay, worth to put in your watch list. Okay, then we will come back again. Hopefully next week. Okay, when the market is slightly better later on. Okay, so right, I think with this, if let's say there's no much questions from Facebook over here, we'll end our section here. Like I say, nothing much today. Okay, even the trade signal also no stocks. Okay, careful for those that who holding glove. I actually put it on my glove already. Luckily I didn't hold the 4 big taiko. I holding K plus. Still okay, manageable. Exited with small losses currently. Okay. Well, hopefully the gaps remain. Okay. Hopefully the gaps remains support. Okay, holding well, right? So again, this is the area that you want to watch out for shakeout, right? I'm not sure. I still feel that glove still bullish now, but just that maybe they have to do one round of shakeout. Okay, because actually, if you look into the long-term chart, the weekly chart, right? They're actually making accumulations ready. Okay, for most of the glove counters. Okay, just that I'm not sure. Probably this round they need to do a clean up, a shakeout. Okay, then they will push the other round. Okay, of course, have to back up with some news. Maybe they're waiting for certain good news. Okay, for them to have a reason to push. Okay, so Hata, okay, currently looks like forming a hammer. Okay, but we still have to wait until the end. Okay, the closing. Okay, of this candle over here. So Hata less than the Kosan. Okay, Kosan slightly a bit bad, slightly a bit bad. Okay, but let's see how lah. So far, I think Hata is the one that quite nice. Okay, Supermax. Okay, Supermax. Supermax not much impact. I think similar like K plus because they didn't go up much also when Toglev, Kosan, Hata going up. So they don't impact much as well. Okay, so right with this, once again, thank you for joining me, and well, nothing much today. Okay, probably I will give an update tomorrow if let's say the market's getting better. Okay, if not, we just probably wait until next week. All right. So thank you, and I'll see you again soon.